So absolutely, in terms of JP Morgan's note that we are seeing from GAIL, let's not forget that GAIL has seen a really good run-up also in the last few months as well. And, you know, in terms of when you compare to the Nifty as well, it's really done quite well. So JP Morgan is saying that, you know, they're putting GAIL in a positive catalyst watch right now. They're saying that GAIL's trading segment is likely to perform well even in the March 24 quarter. That's the last quarter. That's Q4 as well. And overall, in terms of when you're looking at in terms of the performance for the full year forecast for FY24, that is likely to see a bit of a decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis in Q4. But nonetheless, trading segment for the company is expected to do well. They're expecting a meaningful surprise in terms of the earnings that will be supportive of the GAIL's stock going forward as well. The widening gas trading spread is something that should support GAIL in terms of the next few months of the performance. And long term, they're maintaining a neutral rating. They've raised the target price to 175 rupees per share. So clearly, you know, despite the up move that we have seen, they're expecting that, you know, all this will support the company, as well as in terms of the correction that we've seen in the US Henry Hub prices, as well as the stable oil prices, is something that could support GAIL as the highlight that is coming from JP Morgan.
See, you know, my sense it's a stock where the word value is not missing. I mean, unlike a lot of other PSU stocks where the word value is just not there, I think for GAIL that natural advantage is there. And frankly, you can call GAIL as a much more stable business where the economy is moving from the traditional fossil fuels to gas, which is a much cleaner fuel. So it's got ingredients in the big picture and the valuation comfort which is far greater than what you actually have for you know, other sectors and other companies. So I will not be surprised that even though the stock has done rather well, it's one of those stocks which does not really get that kind of mention. We talk railways, we talk defense, we talk about PSU banks, we talk about PSU metal stocks, we talk about ONGC. How many times do we talk about GAIL? And that really has been GAIL for you. It's been the silent mover. It's a FNO stock. It is still cheap and it has potential to outperform.